Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we have something fun and exciting for you. 10 amazing Did You Know? Facts that will surprise and impress your friends. Let's get started. Fact 1. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? That's right. 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps blood to the rest of their body. And guess what? When they swim, 1 heart stops beating. Isn't that incredible? Fact 2. Here's a surprising one. Did you know bananas are berries, but strawberries are not? It's true. Scientists say berries have seeds and pulp from one flower's ovary, and bananas fit this rule. Crazy, huh? Fact 3. Did you know honey never goes bad? Archaeologists found honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that's over 3,000 years old, and it's still good to eat. Amazing, right? Fact 4. Did you know sharks are older than trees? Sharks have lived on Earth for 400 million years. Trees, only about 350 million years. That's wild. Fact 5. Here's a fun one. Did you know sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins? They can go up to 40 minutes without breathing by slowing their heart rate. Who would have guessed? Fact 6. Did you know there's a jellyfish that can live forever? The Turritopsis dohrnii can go back to being a baby after growing up. It's like the fountain of youth, but underwater. Fact 7. Did you know the Eiffel Tower grows in summer? Heat makes the metal expand, so it can get about 6 inches taller. That's pretty cool. Fact 8. Here's a funny one. Did you know wombat poop is cube-shaped? This helps it stay in place and not roll away. Nature is so clever. Fact 9. Did you know your stomach gets a new lining every few days? This protects it from its own acid, which is super strong. That's some serious self-care. Fact 10. Did you know the moon has moonquakes? These are like earthquakes, but happen on the moon. They're caused by Earth's pull. Moonquakes can last up to an hour. So, how many of these facts did you already know? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.